So in this video, we are going to install Ubuntu on my laptop, Model Acer.
First, you need to go to your Google Chrome, then type ubuntu.com/download/desktop. Then download Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS. Then we will wait until the downloading process is done. After it's done, we have to open our Oracle VirtualBox, then click New, put a name on your operating system, then choose a folder where do you want to save your virtual machine, then choose iOS image that I downloaded from Ubuntu. It will automatically detect, then click Next. Then put a username, then password, and re-enter password. Leave the host name as default, then click Next. Allocate a suitable amount of RAM for your virtual machine. Then choose a course of your CPU. It depends on your computer. Then click Next. Then choose a disk size at least 2 gigabytes. Then click Next. Then finish. Start to power off. And let's try this virtual machine into our computer.
So in this part, I'm going to install the Ubuntu. So in this window, click Install Ubuntu, and the installation will start. And once the installation is finished, the Ubuntu will now start processing. After the processing, you can now click your name and type the password you set up. And then click Next, skip, then skip. Now, if you want to make the graphics in full view, click on the devices, insert Guest Addition CD image, and the disk icon will appear. But before that, I have to open the terminal because I have to install. Type sudo apt-get install bit zip2 tar. Then press enter. Then type your password, the password you created in the beginning. Then click next. Then press Y, then click next. Click on the disk, then run software. Enter your password, then click on authenticate, then press enter and wait. After that, you can now close the windows and then click on the X or exit. Check the power of the machine, then click OK. After that, click on the Start again, then wait. Now click on the View and enter full screen mode, then click Switch. Then it will loading. After that, click on your name and enter your password. Click enter. And this is the full screen mode. And now I have successfully installed the Ubuntu on my PC using VirtualBox.